How to do 3D spin transition in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added 2 clips to my timeline. Go to Effects panel and click on Effects. Drag a fusion composition above your clips and timeline and to the start of the second clip. Right-click on it and choose Change Clip Duration. Click on Frames, set it to 20, and click Change. Drag the composition 10 frames backward to position it exactly in between 2 clips. Move the playhead above the composition and go to the Fusion page. Click anywhere empty, then press Shift plus space. Search for Media in, Image Plane 3D, Renderer 3D, and add them. Connect Renderer 3D to Media out. Select Media in Node and change Media Source to Background. Select Image Plane 3D and click on the Transform tab. Set Transform Z to 1.33, then move the playhead to the start. Click on Diamond button next to Rotation Y to make a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to the end and set Rotation Y to 360 to create the second keyframe. Select the Renderer 3D node and in the Settings tab, enable Motion Blur and change it to 360. To smoothen the animation, open up Spline panel and check the Image Plane 3D checkbox. Click on this button to see all the keyframes. Click on this button to select all the keyframes. Click on this button to add curves to the keyframes. If you want more curves, hold down the Alt key and drag these handles to increase the curve in a straight line. Now go back to the Edit page. From Playback menu, set Render Cache to Smart, and allow this red line to become blue.